Today, let me talk about why price move in Nairobi Security Exchange, and I'll compare two scenarios of what is happening currently in Nairobi Security Exchange. One of them is BOC Kenya. And by the way, for those people who have bought my ebook or the ones who have attended one-on-one session with me, they know that price jump, if a price rise sharply, it's one of the things that you look for before you invest in any counter in Nairobi Security Exchange. If it shoot without a clear business reason, you need to ask yourself, why has that price shot? And if you don't have a clear business reason, you don't invest in that share. Now, let's go to BOC Kenya. BOC, they have reported, they have unbroken their 56-year unbroken record by reporting a profit of 314 million in 2025. In fact, it's written BOC Kenya extends 56-year unbroken record with Kenya shillings 314 million profit in 2025. Sorry, I'm getting this from the Kenyan Wall Street. They have not yet published these books in their website. They have not put them there. Otherwise, I would be getting these figures from there. Kenyan Wall Street is also another place where you go. Any news to do with Nairobi Stock Exchange, you can be able to get them there, but in a summary form. So if you come down here, those are very good figures. See, their profit jumped by 48.4% compared to last year, that is year 2024. Their revenue has gone up by 18.5%. See the other figures, operating profit up by 72.5%, operating margin 26.9%. These are good figures, and that's why they gave a dividend of 10.35. So their dividend is also up by 48.6%. These are good fundamentals. A company has reported good fundamentals. It has shown growth in revenue, profit, dividends, and all the other things that you look for. Now, let's go to their counter in Nairobi Security Exchange. Now, if we come to this counter of BOC, you can see the price have shot and it's continue going up. In fact, it's like it has broken its 1 month ceiling, or what we call the resistance. Because after the good fundamentals on 16th, when they did the announcement, the price shot from 125. Currently, it's trading at 140. Are you able to explain this price jump? Yes. What is driving it? Fundamentals. Is it a good or a clear business reason? Yes. So this is what you look for when a share rise sharply. Now let's go to KQ. Now this KQ as at today, and by the way, I have nothing against KQ. I'm just here to educate you. But if you remember the other day, after the headline of Didinyoro, the price shot sharply. It went. In fact, we thought that it's going to hit 10 bob. Was there a clear business reason? No. Were there fundamentals like for BOC driving the price up? No. What was driving the price up? Headline. Hype. Now you can see what is happening. Today, there were no buyers, but sellers were there. Yesterday, I also checked. There were no buyers, but sellers were there. What is happening? The price have started coming down. And maybe this price will continue going down. If this scenario continue, being no buyers and no sellers, because it means there is zero demand for KQ shares if this is not manipulation. So this is what it means. The moment a price rise sharply up, ask yourself, is there a clear business reason that is moving that price to move up? If it goes down, ask yourself, is there a clear business reason? An example is like, you remember when the contract with the Ugandan government came to an end, the price went down to 8 bob and it used to trade at around 20 something, 25, 26. That was a clear business reason why the price has gone down. So with these two examples, at least you are able to know when not to buy a share. When a price rise sharply without a clear business reason, that is a no-no. When the trading activity, especially for a liquid share, just spike suddenly, without a clear business reason. And I'm underlining the word business, because business is not hype, is not rumors, is not headline. That is a no. Don't invest. Thank you.